Hi there, it is class project time again. You were thinking, hey, there's no more projects, this is awesome. Surprise! Getting out of more of the tools-based stuff and getting into more of the project-based part of the course. So in this one, what I want you to do in your O5 cropping folder, there's one called class exercise 1, and there's 2 in here for this exercise. The first one, this little monster, I want you to reshape into a different pose. Totally up to you, but experiment with that pin depth with his arms and legs. The other one is the longer project or longer part of this one. So exactly like we did at the end of the last video, I'd like you to mask this out using any technique you like. This one here, color range might work because it is a more consistent vine. You might use a channel mask, anything you like, but I want you to combine it with your name. Use your name or any word you like. So mask it, move it around so it interacts with the type in some way, and do that trick where it kind of dives in and out. You're probably gonna have to go back and check out the last video. So mask it first, then you have 2 versions of it, one on top of the text, one below the text. You mask out the top one. Then I want you to share it with me. When you share this one in particular, I want to know what masking technique you used. Be interesting to see what everybody does. All right, it's in your class projects file. Basically everything I just said. Yeah, go forth and puppet warp. I'll see you in the next video.